Morning, everyone. I would love to share a very, very simple breath practice with you all now. It's a beautiful morning here, and this is a practice to help you break free from your comfort zone. I know if you are in this space and listening to this video, you are on some kind of self-discovery journey where you are starting to realize and wake up to the fact that you are worthy of achieving your dreams. You are worthy of living a life that feels really good for you. And you want to love yourself. You want to accept yourself fully and really in a radical way. Why? Because you deserve it. So let's all just take a moment now. And if you're driving or not in a place where you can really receive this medicine, I invite you to pause this and come back to it at another time. So just get nice and comfortable here. And we'll just begin by taking a really deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Getting nice and comfortable and just keeping your eyes closed. Sitting up nice and tall. And I want you to envision a square or a box in your mind's eye right now. Notice what color the square is. Just notice what it looks like. And we're going to begin to breathe as if we're watching this square, as if we're inside of this square right now. We'll start by taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top of the inhale. Exhale. And holding your breath at the bottom of the exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4. Exhale for 4. And hold your breath for 4. And just continue at your own pace here. So you're inhaling for 4, holding your breath for 4, exhaling for 4, and holding your breath for 4. And as you continue here, I want you to envision that this square is where you are right now. It's a place that feels pretty much like home, feels pretty comfortable. Things are going pretty well. But just outside of this square, there's a beautiful star. This is the North Star. And that North Star is all that you hope to achieve. It's that person you really want to be, who feels confident, who loves themselves, who accepts themselves. That star is an expansive space where there is transformation. There are loving boundaries set because you know your values and you know your worth. Where we are right now is the square. It's the comfort zone. And now I'm going to ask you to extend your breath a little bit more. It might be a little bit uncomfortable, and that's safe. Let's begin to inhale for a count of 5. Hold for 5. Exhale for 5. Hold for 5. Now see if you can bump it up to 6. Inhaling for 6 and going around the square yet again. And you might notice some discomfort here. When you are breaking free of your comfort zone, it doesn't always feel really good. It can feel challenging, a little bit uncomfortable because it's new. You haven't been here yet. So spend some time holding the breath for 6 and moving around the count of 6. All it takes for you to take that first step is to just take that first step. And I want you to start to see yourself now moving towards that North Star of who you are truly, truly, truly. Your innate worthiness, your potential. Taking action, not just sitting back and hiding and playing small. Let's take one more round here. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. And when you're ready, you can very slowly open your eyes, shake out the body. If you're outside like me, maybe we reach the arms up toward the sky. And exhale, hands to your heart. And just thank yourself right now for showing up, for being here for yourself. You are so, so innately worthy. You are so innately worthy. I hope you have the most beautiful, amazing, limitless day. I love you.